This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to maintain a Bugatti. These incredible machines are engineering marvels, but their exclusivity and extreme performance come with significant ongoing expenses. We'll explore the various costs involved, from routine checkups to unexpected repairs, giving you a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to keep one of these automotive masterpieces on the road. Routine servicing is a major part of Bugatti ownership. An annual service can easily cost around $25,000. This isn't just a simple oil change. It involves replacing 16 liters of specialized oil and other fluids. The process is incredibly complex, often requiring technicians to remove various components and taking up to 27 hours to complete properly. Tires are another significant expense for Bugatti owners. A full set of specialized tires can cost around $38,000, and they typically need replacing every 2 to 3 years, or even sooner depending on driving. The braking system is equally high performance and costly. Replacing just the front brake rotors can be over $18,000, plus the cost of new pads. Beyond routine maintenance, insurance and unexpected repairs present substantial costs. Annual insurance premiums can range from $20,000 to over $50,000, reflecting the vehicle's value and performance. Should a major component like the transmission fail, you could face a bill of $185,000. An engine replacement, however, could exceed $800,000, underscoring the immense financial commitment of Bugatti ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.